going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and another video. So my F30 is back. It's back. It's outside, just sitting there. I mean, look at this. There she is. Yep. All right, so I want to give you guys an update on what's going on with my F30. I'm pretty excited for what I'm about to do to my car. I'm grateful for all of your support and just sticking through to what I am going to do with my build, right? And a lot of you are wondering how did it go with BMW? Did you get your warranty voided? Well, a few things here. And the one thing I do want to mention is that after taking my car to 2 dealerships, right, none of them scanned the ECU and were able to find my tune, right? I flashed it back to stock and I drove it over 100 miles. I cleared the codes, took it to BMW, they diagnosed it. Even BMW North America diagnosed the car and didn't say anything about a tune. They never mentioned, hey guys, a quick update. I'm interrupting this video because I was editing it, making some coffee, and BMW of North America calls me. To give you some reference, I basically wrote them a very long, lengthy, legal email to see if I could somehow get a new motor, right? Just trying out my options here. They basically said no, right? Which is okay. I'm still happy with the route that I was choosing about getting a used motor or a stronger motor. Anyways, so one thing that I did discover though, because I wanted to pick their brain now that I have them on the phone, is that BMW dealerships can't diagnose and look into the ECU and discover your tune, right? They don't have the time or the labor to really dive in deep and to do that sort of diagnostic. Now, BMW North America, when they get involved, they can find that. His exact terms is that BMWs have this brain inside built into the ECU that stores data from the date that it was birthed all the way to the present day. We can detect all the malfunctions, all the error codes, and we can also see when there is a slight increase in horsepower that was modified by the ECU. Now, which is interesting because all tunes modify the ECU to trick the motor to give it more horsepower. And that's how they are able to determine if there was a tune. If you touch the ECU in any way or modify it to them, that is classified as a tune, therefore voiding your warranty. Now, my myth is sort of busted, not really, because he also mentioned that each BMW dealership runs independently. They're not corporate ran, if I can say that. And also that the dealerships don't have the tools to really, and the time to dive in and to break apart that brain and to really see if you had somehow tuned the car. So in other terms, if you, and just, disclaimer, don't take my words for what it is. I may be wrong still. I mean, this is what this person from BMW North America said, that the dealerships don't have the time, the tools, or the labor to dive in and break apart that brain to diagnose your tune. For me, getting a new motor, which is $19,000, BMW North America had to get involved. Therefore, they came in with their tools, the diagnostics, their time, and they discovered that at some point in the timeline a year ago, there was horsepower. There was a modification in the ECU to give my car more horsepower. So, myth busted? I don't know. If you have any other experience with a dealership that you flashed a stock, took it in, and they found your tune, I mean, I don't know. Share your thoughts, leave a comment below. I mean, I guess this myth is kind of sort of busted. I'm not sure because it's like BMW dealerships can't find it, but BMW North America could find it. I don't know, guys. Anyways, sorry for interrupting. Let me share with all of you what I'm doing, right? Yep, 328. And I'm gonna put engine compartment, I'm gonna put engine assembly, and I am running a rear wheel drive N20. And search. And check this out. So these are 328s, right? And guys, I'm telling you, there are some pretty good motors out here. I'm not so concerned about the mileage, but I am pretty excited because look, this one right here, 50K, right? 50,000 miles off a 328, right? And let me see if I can find a picture of the car. Boom. This one's coming out of a X1. So guess what? This is what I am excited about. Source vehicle, 2014 BMW X1. And if you do a quick Google search, 240 to 300 horsepower from a BMW X1 4-cylinder engine. Guys, it's the same motor that could fit my 320i. So I'm pretty excited about this because the Pro Tuning Freaks BM3 tune that I put into my 320 took me from 180 horsepower to probably 230 or 240 base level 328i. Now, the 328, the 320, 328, and the X1 all have the same N20 motor. Guys, just hold on before we start trolling and be like, bro, compression, you know, whatever, camshaft, turbochargers are different. Whatever it may be, the 328 and the X1 obviously deliver more horsepower. So, what I am going to do is I am going to take the N20 motor from a 328 or an X1 and drop it in to my 320i. Basically giving my 320i that extra horsepower and torque, base level 240 horsepower. I don't know how much torque, but basically adding more power to my car. So I'm so excited for that because guess what? I don't have to tune my car anymore. I'm gonna get the motor with less miles. Mine has, I think, over 65,000 miles. This motor has 50,000 miles and it's in great condition. It comes with warranty. So if they sell me a faulty motor, I can just go back and just return it and get another one. Guys, I am excited. I think I might go this route because if I drop in a powerful motor into my 320i, it's gonna be nuts. I'm excited for that. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification because I'm gonna document the whole process and I'm really determining I'm leaning more towards this route. Dropping in a whole other motor because guess what? It's gonna bring you all more content, more value. That's gonna be nuts, guys. I may even upgrade the intercooler, throw in a catch can. I mean, there's a lot of things happening and I'm gonna partner up with Kies Motorsports and other companies because they've been faithful to me. And guys, I'm just excited. Now I'm just ranting off. So thank you so much for throwing your support. Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. I think I mentioned subscribing like a couple of times. I'm close to 1,000 subscribers, which I'm so excited about. All of you, just massive support. So make sure you share this video to another F30 and 20 person. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next video.